Everyone, today I'm going to introduce what is Cyanotype. Cyanotype is a photographic technique that also known as blueprint that does not use camera, invented by Sir John Herschel in 1842. It is one of the oldest form of photography that is still used by people nowadays because it is cheaper and simpler compared to other photography techniques. Cyanotype involves putting objects on paper or fabric coated with solution of ferric ammonium citrate and potassium ferricyanide. Both of the chemicals are light sensitive. The Prussian blue color is resulted from the reaction between iron 2 and ferricyanide. So now let's us look into how to produce a cyanotype.
Firstly, pour 2.5 ml of solution A, which is also known as ferric ammonium citrate, into an empty container. Next, the solution B, which made up of potassium ferricyanide, is mixed with solution A. Two solutions are mixed well by using a wet sponge brush. Next, gently coat the paper with the solutions and let it dry for a few minutes. Flowers and leaves are collected from several species of plants in Taman Botanical Garden. After that, the designs are put on the surface of the paper and arranged nicely. The designs are clamped together with a board and a plastic cover. Next, all the design put under the sun or UV light. Then the paper was rinsed in water and sprayed with hydrogen peroxide. And rinse the paper for the one last time. Lastly, dry the final product on a rag.
There were many plants we had used in making cyanotype. These are some of the examples. Okay, next I will show you Euphorbia milli. Here is it. Wow, let us look into it. So, people might think that the red one is the flower, but no, the red one actually is modified leaf called braids. The flower is the yellow one. Yeah, it's very inconspicuous, but if you notice it, the flower is very small. So that's it about Euphorbia milli. So this is a Relia tuberosa flower. It is purple in color and it has a corolla tip. Okay, next I will show you fern. Here is it. Okay, fern. I will pick it. Okay. So one pair of this whole structure is called pinna. And the one small one, if you can see it, the small one, we call it pinule.
Hi, my name is Iman Harisa, and my reflection on this Cyanotype project is that I think it is a very fun and creative way of learning plant morphology and structure compared to the traditional lecture way. Students were able to learn about plant morphology, the leaf and flower structure, based on the design that we have made on the Cyanotype. I hope there will be more of these creative artistic projects in the future for a less stressful way to learn about plants.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I learned about plant morphology from Cyanotype technique compared to the conventional way. Basically, it actually captured the visual aspects of the plant, right? For example, we could see from the detailed representation of it and also the texture of the plant that is attached to the product. We could actually see the leaf impression, for example, in the case of venation and its margin as well, and the flower print, and also the stem. We could actually see the branching pattern of it, and this actually showcases the versatility of the plant itself. Now, we can see in the Ixora plant, the leaf has a lactic shape and the margin is entire, whereas the flower is radially symmetrical and it has a woody and lateral branch stem. So overall, this cyanotype process is actually very interesting to me because this is my first time doing that, and I've never actually imagined it would be very good, as it has the combination of arts and also science, which is very something new to me, and yeah, it was great.
Hi, my name is Listening. I would like to share about what I have learned about plants morphology from Cyanotype technique. To be honest, this was my first experience making Cyanotype. For me, I think it is a perfect combination of biology, chemistry, and arts. Even it only produces blue and white color, its image is very stunning and amazing. There is no doubt to say that Cyanotype is a way to help us study plant morphology in an interesting way, because we can clearly see the leaf margins and its arrangement. From my point of view, I think Cyanotype also is a creative way to observe plant morphology aesthetically. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I will be sharing my thoughts about the Cyanotype activities. For me, it is one of the creative way to express your feelings through arts. This is because these activities not only can release your stress, but also can express your thoughts and increase your knowledge about the nature. Why did I say this? This is because the type of cyanotype that we are making are related to plants, where it includes the shape of the leaves, the margin, the venation, and not to forget, we are also using several types of flowers. For example, we include bougainvillea leaves in one of our designs. Bougainvillea leaves are typically oval shaped with a pointed tip. The leaf margin are typically entire or smooth, and the leaves exhibit a tiny venation. Again, we can all agree that cyanotype activities can bring a lot of benefit to us. Not only it is easy to do, but also fun and can fill the free time.
Hi, my name is Shaman. I feel that Cyanotype is an artwork that combines the elements of biology and chemistry. It definitely could help students to understand more about plant morphology and structure in a creative way. For example, students can learn about plants' margin, venations, and arrangement through their artwork. Also, involving Cyanotype in teaching could create more cheerful and relaxed environments for students to learn about plants. Therefore, in the future, students will have more interest and will be more willing to study about plants in biology.
Nadia, and my reflection on the Cyanotype project is that making cyanotypes with nature's treasure like leaves and flowers was pure magic. Each leaf, with its unique veins and delicate colors, became a canvas more sun creative touch. It was like a delicate dance, blending chemicals and waiting for the sunlight to reveal its secrets. Watching the paper change from pale yellow to rich deep blue was like a mesmerizing show. More than just a craft, it was a deep and meaningful experience. It was a celebration of nature's arts, a reminder that nothing lasts forever, and a powerful proof that even the simplest thing can be transformed into something amazing with a little light and creativity.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Cyanotype and I'm going to share my thoughts and feelings about this Cyanotype project. Before this, I never knew the existence of Cyanotype, and the idea of sun printing is fascinating about how you can just make two chemicals and then basking them on the sun, and it was able to create such intricate and unique design. Cyanotype is like a biology student art project where you don't only combine your creativity but also your knowledge you learn during class. As an example, you can choose different leaves with different margins and different leaf species with different shapes. And the students are not only obliged to creatively arrange the specimen, but they also need to know why they can be put into the same design based on the learning outcome and what they learn. Overall, I think it's a good project and I can't wait to learn about it in the future.